Good morning! Guess where I'm off to today? I am going to the 4 waterfalls in the BRECON mountains. So I am really excited. I am going with friends, so I can't really vlog the way I usually vlog because I obviously want to just enjoy the day. But there's going to be a lot of scenic footage. Yes, I'm just about to do a protein shake, pack my lunch, do my coffee. So I will see you. I've mapped out my route as well on Osman Maps. I'll put the blog post in the link in the bio description so that you can see it if you wish to do it too. As you know, my coffee situation is froth my milk, get my coffee, and oops, just pour it in. I'm gonna go for strong coffee this morning because we're going hiking in my Starbucks as usual. This is my water for my heel. I've put it in about 350 ml. I'm gonna put 1.5 scoops, so it's gonna be about 300 calories. That's gonna be that, which will be my breakfast. And then this is the lunch snack. So I've just toasted a pita bread, and this is free on the Olio app. I got this as well last night from Olio, and also this. So this is scrambled tofu with kale and spinach. I'm just gonna put this in the wrap. Delicious. This will be the perfect mid-hike snack, because I'm going out to dinner tonight for the first time this year. So I have decided to save myself money by making a packed lunch. Then I can have a good time tonight. So there you go. All is done. And then I've also got some clementines, so I just used this little bag to put it in. And then I've got some clementines, which is good for like little snacks if you get like peckish, but you don't necessarily need to eat. Looking for the recipe for this, then I'll just put it on my blog post, okay? It will be in the link in the description below. Okay, so we've just reached the first waterfall.
This is the third waterfall. I put all the names in the editing, but yeah, so beautiful. Wow, that was so incredible. The fourth waterfall was the best. Like, I've never walked behind a waterfall before. That was just unreal. So refreshing. Such a perfect way to end the hike. as they say, what goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. I mean, silly me. Wow, these stairs are hectic, but you just pit stop along the way, enjoying the scenery, you know what I mean?